morning to all. Today, we the students of grade 8 are presenting you an online special assembly on International Nurses Day. As we all know, nurses always play an integral role in the healthcare industry, providing care to the patients and carrying out leadership role in the hospitals, health system and other organizations. Now, I would like to request our respected principal ma'am to shed some lights on the role of nurses in our society.
Hello children, hope you are safe and sound at home. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay at home. Don't go out. Now you know the COVID virus is all around, so you have to take care of yourself. And children, you know who are the people who are taking care of all these patients of COVID virus, all these ill, all these sick people around, who are taking care? Yes, children, the doctors and nurses. So at this moment, the nurses are the epitome of motherhood. They are the epitome of taking care. Children, 12th May every year is observed as Nurses Day. 12th May, a very famous nurse, Florence Nightingale, who came to prominence during the Crimean War in 1860s, is her birthday. So on 12th May, on Florence Nightingale's birthday, Nurses Day is observed all around the world. This year, International Council for Nurses has declared the theme for this 2020 Nurses Day as Nursing the World to Health. You know, the nurses are the forerunners now. They are the connection between the patient and the doctor. They are the one who is taking care of the patients. They are the one who is doing all kinds of support, counseling to the patients. Instead, they know they are the most vulnerable one, and in spite of they knowing that they can get affected very easily, they are the most susceptible ones. In spite of that, they are doing that. Now I'll come back to Florence Nightingale. During the Crimean War, Florence Nightingale was surveyed as the lady with the lamp. She was the one who served the Crimean War, warriors, the military soldiers who lay wounded in the battlefield. She served them, and she was the one who was called the lady with the lamp because at night she used to walk with a hurricane or lamp to find out who is injured and who needs a service. This service of her is all worldwide was acknowledged, and then after that also she's the one who started the first professional nursing college in London, and she's the one who did a lot of work for the nurses and for the health of the society. So, you know, the Nurses Day is celebrated on her birthday, and the highest nurses award is also known as Florence Nightingale Medal. So this is how the nurses all around the world is serving the society now. They are attending the patient, they are counseling the patient's home, they are doing the communication between the doctor and the patient, they are taking care of all the staff members and all the non-medical professionals of the hospital. They are doing a lot of work which can't even think of it. So along with the doctors, we must thank all the nurses all around the world.
Thank you very much, Principal Ma'am, for an informative speech. Now I would like to call Khushi for thought of the day.
Good morning all of you. I am Khushi. Today's thought is, when you talk, you repeat something you know. But when you listen, you learn something new. I repeat my thought. When you talk, you repeat something you know. But when you listen, you learn something new. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Khushi. Now I would like to present my friends to pay a tribute to all the nurses who are playing a very crucial role during this pandemic.
तेरा इज़हार